So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on setting up your YouTube chat overlay inside of OBS Studio. So the first thing you're going to want to do is have your OBS Studio open, and then typically you're going to go ahead and add your chat overlay to your intermission screen. Now I have here my video, my gameplay, and then I have an empty box here for my chat overlay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come to streamelements.com, and I'll put a link in the description of this video. Then you're going to get logged in with your YouTube account, and once you do, you'll be brought to a dashboard just like this. On the left hand side, under streaming tools, just select overlays. This is going to bring you to a new dashboard, and then we'll select new overlay. We'll have it at 1080p, hit start, and now what we want to do here is you want to hit this little plus icon. We want to come to where it says static and custom, and you'll select video if you have animated overlays, or an image if you have static overlays. And what I'm going to do to make this easier is I'm going to go ahead and bring in my just chatting scene to Stream Elements, so that way I can align it directly with the actual chat. Now, the overlays that I'm utilizing are going to be from streamdesigns.com, and they have tons of animated overlays for you to be able to choose from. Now, for this example, I'm utilizing the animated stream overlay package loadout, and you're going to see it is going to give me everything that I need to make my stream look professional. And this is going to be the just chatting scene that I'm going to utilize here today. So once you have your just chatting scene or your overlays, you'll come back here to Stream Elements. You'll select video if it's animated, or image if it's static. We'll select video here. I'll select change video, select upload, select files. And if you went ahead and got your overlays from Stream Designs, it's originally going to come when you download them in a zip file just like this. So if you're on Windows, you'll right click, select extract, and that's going to create a folder here for you. If you're on Mac, you'll double click and that'll create a folder here for you. Once you have the folder, you open it up. You'll come to where it says overlay screens, and you'll see the just chatting one here. Hit open, and that's going to go ahead and bring it into Stream Elements. So because I already have it uploaded here, I'm going to hit submit. Now it's going to be a little bit smaller, and what you want to do is for video size, you want to select auto, and then you want to go ahead and stretch it for the full length of the screen. Once you do that, you'll come here to layers. You'll go ahead and lock it so that way it doesn't move. And now we want to go ahead and add in our YouTube chat overlay. So we'll come here to this little plus icon. We'll select streaming tools, your stream chat, and then here it is. We want to grab it, we want to just place it, and then we just want to go ahead and make it just a little bit smaller than the actual box that we have there to give it a little bit of space. And then once you have that in place, we'll come here to where it says settings, theme, dark chat. We want to select white just for the time being, and then we'll hit save. We'll name this here YouTube chat overlay. Hit save. And once you have that saved, what you're going to want to do now is, because you don't need the just chatting scene anymore, you'll come back to layers, and you can go ahead and just hit this little eye icon, and that's going to go ahead and disable the just chatting scene. Now, once you do that, hit save. I'm going to go ahead and copy from this little copy overlay URL. We'll come back here to OBS Studio, and then we'll come here to our intermission screen, hit this little plus icon. We'll hit browser, and then we'll name this overlay YouTube chat. Press OK. And now it's going to paste our URL that we just went ahead and copied. And then super important that we want to go ahead and select here 1920 by 1080. And then you scroll down and you want to select refresh browser when scene becomes active. Hit OK. And then our chat's going to pop up right in the spot that we need it to pop up in. And now that we know that it's in the right spot, we can go ahead and lock it. And now we can come back here to Stream Elements, select our chat again. So we'll come here to our chat. We'll come here to settings. And now what we'll do is we'll do custom, and that's going to go ahead and make it transparent for us. We'll hit save. And then when we come back here to OBS, now our chat is transparent. And then once you go live, your chat will now start to appear in this box here. And you can go ahead and right click, hit copy on the browser, come to maybe your gameplay scene, and then you can go ahead and paste it as well. And now you can have your chat and move it exactly where you want it to be for it to pop up on your gameplay. Now, if you want to go ahead and add all your overlays into OBS Studio to make your stream look professional, go ahead and watch this video right here where I walk you step by step on doing just that. I'll see you guys in the next video.